Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on Edge panels function in Samsung Galaxy A55. So, where to look for this function and how to turn it on. So we need to go to our settings, then in displays options menu, when we scroll down, we have here Edge panels. And when we turn it on, we will have our panel right here. Of course, we can customize it a bit. For example, we can use, as you can see, some presets, apps, people, tasks, etc., weather tools. Or we can go to store for more widgets that we can hide in our Edge panels. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a good day and see you in the next video. Bye.